Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to cut a princess cut blouse, and this is going to be a small draft of how it looks. So this is the most requested video, so today I got the time to make one of this. And before going to the princess cut blouse, if you want to sew or make one like this, you should know the basic blouse cutting method, the marking, the cutting and sewing method. If you know that, this is going to be the damn easy. I tell you the easiest way to make a princess cut blouse for you. And it has a very I show you only 2 to 3 marking that differentiate the normal blouse to the princess cut blouse. So the first marking goes over here. Normally this is going to be the front and this is going to be the back. Okay, so it's the same like where you mark the shoulder, armhole, the front neck, and this is going to be the hooks and loops putty where you're going to keep. And under the loops and hooks putty, you just mark up 3 inches over here. So now in this princess cut blouse, that is going to be 4 inches. Okay, that's the first difference. You can keep it 3.5 or 4 inches depending upon your size, but today I'm going to keep 3.5, might be 4, let it be. And this point, okay, normally you used to hold a dot for the blouse at the armhole point. It is same like that. Just fold these together and make the center point and mark that. So you're going to cut into this and you're going to get 2 separate pieces and also putty. So 3 pieces joined together is going to be the front, and the back it's going to be the normal cutting, but you're going to make a big cut over at the back so that this piece will be separated. This is going to be 1 and 2 piece. So we are going to attach the hooks and the loops putty at the back side of the blouse. Okay, let us see the marking of the blouse. Okay, so first mark the length of the blouse. So in my case, the length of the blouse is, okay, let's start with marking the length of the blouse. So in my case, the length of the blouse is 15.5 inches, and I'm giving a half an inch for folding at the bottom of the blouse. So altogether it's going to be 16 inches. So keep a tape like this and take 16 inches. So when I place 16 inch over here, I'm going to mark it over here. Okay, mark 16 inches from the bottom and draw a straight line over here. Okay, this is going to be the length, and from the from this side, just mark 6 inches. This 6 inches includes the neckline and the shoulder with the seam. Seam I give 1/4 inch on each side of the shoulder. So just I'm going to mark 6 inches and 3 inches for the neckline. This is going to be the neckline width and this is going to be the shoulder. And now for the armhole, I'm going to mark the 6.5 inches for the armhole. So armhole is going to be 6.5 inches. Let me draw a line. After marking the 6 inches line, from here just extend the line. So after marking the shoulder, the length, you're going to just where the line ends, you're going to draw another line. And now we are going to mark the chest measurement. The chest is going to be 40 inches and 4 inches loosing. So the total length is going to be 44. So 44 divided by 4 is going to be 11 inches. So the chest is 40 inches and plus 4 inches loosing, so it's going to be 44 inches. That 44 divided by 4. 4 times is going to be 11 inches. So the full length of the chest is going to be 11 inches. So it falls over here. Okay. And the hip measurement, so for me the hip measurement falls on 8.5 inches. So mark that 8.5. The hip measurement and the chest measurement depends upon you. Just measure it, add 4 inches and then divided by 4 is going to be the full chest length. And also the hip measurement, the exact measurement of your hip is going to be the hip measurement. And now you're going to join this and just line together. And coming back to neckline, so the neck depth is going to be 9 inches from the top. So this where it's going to start. So keep the tape over here and mark 9 inches, keeping the tape slanting. So it falls over here. And this is going to be the back neck, and if you want you can change the neckline, and you're going to cut this out. And the armhole, just take 2 inches and just give a mark like this. Okay, so this is going to be the armhole depth, and from here you're going to give a 2 inch of seam allowance over here and mark that too. This is the back piece drafting. After marking the back piece, you're going to trace the same pattern for your front piece. So place the pattern over here. Okay. And you're going to trace the same for making the just make it into level. Okay, so now so compared to the back armhole, the front armhole should be a little bit deeper in size. So I'm going to take a marginal amount over here. So I'm going to take really a quarter inch out of this armhole, and you can measure the length of the neckline, that is the front neckline. If you want to make a little bit deeper, this is 9 inches. If you want to make 10 or 11, or if you want to make 8 inches, you can make an adjustment over here. Just take 5.5 inches. Okay, when you take 5.5 inches, it falls over here, and from here you're going to mark 3.5 to 4 inches. It depends upon you. If you want, you can take 3.5 inches or you can take 4 inches. I'm taking 4 inches from here, so it's going to be like a slanting one. So I take 4 inches from here, and I draw a slanting line like this. And you're going to take a center point of this. So first measure the length of the armhole. So when you keep the tape like this, so you get the length of the armhole is going to be 13 inches. So 13 inches means 6.5 is going to be the midpoint. So keep the tape again and mark the 6.5 from here. So you're going to join this line to this line. After joining this point to this point is going to be 4 inches, and from here it's going to be 6.5 inches. Okay, and this measurement is going to be equal to your hooks and loops putty measurement. So I took 6 over here, so I'm going to take the same 6 over there. So take 6 inches from here and give a marking, and it goes like this. Okay, so now we can cut this out. And if you feel hard to take the center point and you to mark this curve together, so like this, what you can do is first cut out the front piece like this and fold both the points like this, that is the armhole and the shoulder together, and meet at a point. So you'll get a center over here and just give a marking like this, and take 4 inches from here, 3.5 or 4 inches over here, and just give a mark, and we're going to join it like this. Okay, now we are going to separate the pieces. This is going to be the putty piece, and this is going to be the princess cut. So it's going to be have a 1, 2 and the 3 piece. So this can be in one color, this can be in one color, and this can be this color, or else you take this to be one color, this to be one color, and this to be one color. Most of the time you can join this both to be in same color, and this can be in a different color. That look pretty. And for making this princess cut blouse, I took a golden color brocade material, and it's so shimmery, and I took a plain cotton fabric. It is little bit soft material, not too cottony, so I took that one, and I'm going to mix this with the brocade material. So for the back side of the blouse, I'm going to take a black color. So place the pattern on top of the fabric and keep a weight over there, and start cutting this out. Okay, here we go, and this is going to be the front piece of the princess cut blouse. So I'm going to cut this piece in a gold color fabric, that is the brocade material, and this I'm going to cut in a black color fabric. So now the important marking over here is going to be the allowance what you're going to give to join this piece to this piece, and also you're going to give allowance to join the putty. See, so I'm just drawing the exact pattern measurement on my blouse. Okay, so this is going to be the exact pattern. So from here I'm going to give a 1/4 inch on both the side, this side and this side, not over here and not over here. This is going to be the armhole, it is the exact measurement, and this side is where we join, it is also the exact measurement. So for joining the patti and to join the princess cut, the front piece, you're going to give this and this a 1/4 inch. Cut this out. Cut this out. Now you can see I just given a 1/4 inch on both the sides, and for this piece I'm using this gold fabric. To make a better fitting, you can just keep it in a cross cut, that is like this. This is going to be the cross grain, that is the bias cut, and if you're going to keep in a bias cut, you will have a very better fitting. And I show you in the next video how to make a bias cut blouse, that is a cross cut blouse. The cross cut blouse is a little bit different from the normal cut blouse. So in this video, let us make a straight cut. So now just place this over here and mark the same. I think you can see the marking. And this is to be the folded edge. If you want, you can keep it on the folded edge, and you can or else you can keep it on the open edge, but while sewing you have to join this together. But to be in a safer side, you can just keep it in a folded edge. And in this case, you're going to leave a 1/4 inch over here, this for patti, and over here this is going to be for your blouse side. Okay, for 1/4 inch over here and here, the armhole is same and the neckline is same, so you don't want to leave anything. So I'm going to cut this out. And all the patterns will be uploaded on my Facebook page, the pictures of the pattern. So I can't upload the pictures on the YouTube, so you can just check in my Facebook page. And if you want to be a member, or if you want to join into my Facebook page, and if you're already member, you're a subscriber to the YouTube channel, just give a small message that you're already a subscriber to the YouTube channel, so I can know and I can add to my friend list. I'm just keeping the putty piece. This is the open, the closed edge. Place it over here. And what I did before is I just kept over here the exact measurement where it just ends. But you should not do like that. You have to give a 1/4 inch more, so that you're going to add an interfacing for the putty piece, and you're going to fold this in. So you're going to leave enough fabric for folding. So leave a 1 inch over there, and you're going to mark the shape of your putty. So this is going to be the putty piece. and also you're going to add a interfacing under this and to make it heavy.
And if you like the cutting of the princess cut blouse that you saw right now, please do click on the thumbs up button below and do share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future video. And stay tuned, see you next time. Bye bye.